I came here because I wanted freedom, and I feel like we've done a fantastic job of creating a lot of freedom in our life. And the food was where we noticed that we still were lacking some freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I intend to continue eating. I love food. I love to prepare food. I love to grow food, and it feels really good to know that I don't have to give that up, and I can choose it or let it be, and I'm going to be fine either way. That's true freedom for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Last day of the process, and I actually ran up the stairs today.
Yes.
Yes, I was like, oh my God, I felt like Avatar when he got to use his legs for the first time. It was so, oh my God, my lungs, my body's back. Still have muscle, yeah.
Yeah, I definitely checked my limitations and broke through them. I didn't come with a lot of fear, but I definitely had the feeling that, I don't know, 3 days without water, 4 days without water. And that was the big piece for me. The food, I felt like, no problem. But the water, oh. And it was amazing to survive that and to come through the other side and, like, oh, don't believe everything you're told.
Well, being someone who has to carry water everywhere you went,
Yeah.
there's always a water bottle everywhere we went.
Hi, my name's Kara. I wasn't a water addict.
Yeah, I'm just open to the challenge, knowing that I want to grow myself and expand myself. Energetically, for my kids, I have children, three kids, and I know that everything I do transmutes into them, transfers into them, and it's just fun to take this challenge on. Physically, I knew it was going to be challenging. I knew it was going to be tough, but I knew I would do it, especially if there's 40 other people here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna be the last. I'm gonna make this happen. Yeah, 7-year-old, and you're doing this? Yeah, I can do this. Although she actually went a further day than I did as far as the water.
She was amazing. Yeah.
But emotionally, I when I can step into meditation, I can feel energetically just cleaning out some stuff, and it's been a process to get here, and I'm excited. That's good. It's not a strict way. Like for me personally, it doesn't have to be only this way. I get to choose. I have the freedom. Again, coming here prior to this, I was starting to. I was never aware of this before. I was starting to become aware of the fact that there was an emotional eating and any hunger, and I realized most of it was an emotional eating. I would say 80% of what I felt before was emotional.
Yeah.
And now I got to experience what that is, and breatharianism means to me that I'm detached from the emotion of it, and it's actually choice. I can actually enjoy food if I choose to, and I don't have to. And learning to bring in energy and choosing that as a new belief or just a new knowing.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of cool.
And how was it to do it as a couple? To do it
Oh my
together?
God, it was so amazing. So amazing. Yeah,
It
I'm
was fun.
incredibly grateful that we had each other to rely on and to...
Yeah, you had some ups and downs here.
We did.
Yeah.
Yeah, both of us. And luckily they happened at different times.
Mm-hmm.
That was really
So
nice.
one can support the other.
Yeah, for sure.
We enjoy, everywhere we go, it's just fun being the feminine and masculine and holding the space for that, and it just creates this energy that kind of goes out. But yes, she knows exactly when to support me, when to just let me be. I know when to support her and when to let her be. And there's some really good flow with us. So as a couple, it's so much more fun to be with your partner.
And grow together.
And growing together. Can you imagine if she was doing this on her own, I was by myself, and then she comes back and tries to tell me about it, it's gonna just seems like it's gonna take a little bit longer for them to grow. When you do it together, boom.
And
synergy.
we're aware that as we leave this really cozy womb we've created and we get birthed out into the other world, that the challenges will arise, and it makes my heart feel really good to know that we're doing this together. We can continue to, when one has the high, one has the low, support each other as we integrate it in.
It's been awesome.
Yeah.
Lucky. We feel very lucky.
Really fortunate. Ray was fantastic. What I liked most about Ray's leadership was his clarity. There was a neutrality, a feeling of not trying to force anything, and not taking things personal when there was a little hiccup in the group. The other piece that I value so much in a leader or a facilitator is the ability to show your own vulnerability and to be able to give real pieces of what's happening in their lives. And Ray did that, and that made him so much more relatable and more likable.
Yeah. What do I love about Ray? He's got cool hair. He's got awesome hair.
The other thing that I really appreciated about Ray was that it's obvious that he's walking his talk. He's not trying to deliver something that he just learned about 4 weeks ago at someone else's retreat.
Yeah, that's true.
He's actually integrated it and lived it, and so the experience is in his cells, and that's transmitted just being in his field. I feel like that's going to be, has been, and will continue to be very beneficial to us.
Yeah, and you think you're here for a 10-day fast? It's going to blow your mind.
It's not about the food.
It's not about the food. So much more here. So much more. Can't tell you, or else you won't come.
So if you were on the fence or even considering it, tap in here, but trust us, this is an amazing process.